All that our body needs in order to naturally heal itself might already be the kitchen, so you do not need to seek some miraculous remedy but just visit the nearest grocery store. A healthy diet, combined with an active lifestyle, is the only successful way to ensure and preserve your optimal health. With every action we take, every thought we think, and every morsel we put in our body, we are moving towards greater health and vitality, or we are moving towards faster aging, illness, and death. What if we had the power of healing and living at optimum health at our fingertips? Namely, there are countless studies that point to the direct impact of our diets on our health. A recent paper in the New England Journal of Medicine listed 55 diseases that can be caused just by eating gluten. Most people with a gluten or food sensitivity often attribute their symptoms to something else, not food. Not only does food have the ability to do damage, but it also has the ability to support our body in its natural healing processes. Making dietary changes isn't necessarily easy, even if the goal is as important as healing an illness. But it's critical to add in the life-giving foods that our body needs to thrive, like fruits, veggies, healthy fats, and water, and begin removing inflammation-causing foods, like gluten and sugar. Here are the most powerful healing foods you should consume. 1. Honey. Honey is one of the healthiest foods on the planet, and it offers strong antimicrobial, antifungal, and antibacterial effects. It treats allergies and colds, heals burns and wounds, moisturizes the skin, and boosts health in numerous other ways. 2. Lemon. Lemons are among the healthiest foods we can consume, and it energizes the body, clears the skin, detoxifies the system, helps weight loss and digestion, and boosts the immune system. 3. Oatmeal. A small half-cup serving of oatmeal contains 13 grams of protein and almost your entire RDA of manganese. It is rich in antioxidants including vitamin E, tocotrienols, selenium, phenolic acids, and phytic acid, nutrients like copper, magnesium, vitamin B1, biotin, molybdenum, phosphorus, and fiber. 4. Olive oil. This beneficial oil is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants that hydrate the skin, boost health, and lead to longevity. 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great cooking and baking agent, hair conditioner, face moisturizer, shaving cream, deodorant, lotion, makeup remover, stretch mark lotion, and much more. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in bacteria that improve your gut health. It treats constipation and abdominal pain and prevents all kinds of digestive issues. 7. Aloe vera. This miraculous plant can help you protect and moisturize the skin, due to its powerful antiviral and antibacterial properties. It is also an excellent skin cleanser, so apply it directly on the face and rinse after 10 minutes. 8. Baking soda. Baking soda is one of the most versatile substances in your home, and when it comes to health and beauty, you can use it as an antacid, acne remedy, muscle pain cure, mouthwash, toothpaste, shampoo, a body scrub, anti-itch cream, and more. 9. Turmeric. People have used turmeric for millennia, most commonly in the treatment of colds, flu, coughs, wounds, and acne. Studies have shown that it can fight various cancers such as ovarian, breast, and lung cancer. It strengthens the immune system and fights inflammation in the body. 10. Garlic. Due to its excellent antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties, garlic is one of the best natural antibiotics. It strengthens overall health in various ways and prevents numerous ailments and diseases. 11. Mint. Mint is abundant in antioxidants, so it boosts the immune system, helps weight loss and digestion, fights nausea and congestion, prevents acne and blemishes, and helps in the treatment of depression. 12. Fennel. Fennel will help you fight bloating, soothe menstrual cramps, treat digestive issues, and control mental disorders such as depression. 13. Buttermilk. Buttermilk is fermented milk made by adding lactic acid bacteria to regular milk, and it is a potent probiotic. Only a cup of it contains 284 milligrams of calcium, or 28% of the daily value, 218 milligrams of phosphorus, and 0.4 milligrams of riboflavin, or 22% of the DV for these nutrients, and 370 milligrams of potassium, or 11% of the DV. 14. Fenugreek. This anti-inflammatory herb improves the digestive process, regulates blood sugar, fights acne, and prevents hair loss. 15. Ginger. Ginger is a potent healing food, with anti-inflammatory properties and high amounts of antioxidants. It fights nausea and digestive issues, prevents colds, and boosts the immune system. 16. Cumin. This popular Indian spice has been used as a natural remedy for centuries. It is high in antioxidants and fortifies the immune system, accelerates weight loss, and prevents indigestion. 17. Onion. This potent anti-inflammatory strengthens the immune system, detoxifies the body, and heals a cough or cold. Add it to your meals and enjoy its numerous benefits. 18. Tea. Black and green tea are rich sources of antioxidants, lower cholesterol and blood sugar, improve heart health, lower the risk of cancer, lower blood pressure and the risk of stroke, boost gut health and concentration, and prevent colds. 19. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar strengthens the immune system, accelerates metabolism, helps in weight loss, improves skin health, and treats various skin conditions. 20. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has been found to be the highest in antioxidants among 26 different herbs and spices tested. It is abundant in calcium and magnesium, fights diabetes and inflammation, improves heart health, lowers the risk of cancer, soothes colds and allergies, improves the function of the brain, and has strong antifungal and antimicrobial properties. In order to actually heal our body, yes, it is possible to heal our body even with autoimmune disease, we need to make our health and our diet a priority. It really is about everything we put in our body, and the many lifestyle choices that we make each day, each moment. Making our health a priority is about feeling good, having the optimal function of every part of our body, and wanting great health more than satisfying a momentary craving with our favorite treat. It's also about balance and discovering new favorite foods that support our health instead of destroying it.